Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. 50 degrees outside. The sun started to shine, but it was raining all day today. We've got Pat first in the chat. Dark Bro must be having a rough day. He's second on that one. I'm on call, bro. Got you, dilly Pat with the really. I love it, Dark Bro. Pat, man, how you doing? Kenneth, we got John J, Kenneth, John J, Kenneth, and SD. Good afternoon to you, SD. Let's check the market out and see what we got going on. That is not the market. That is BitTorrent. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, finishing nicely at $4.57 today. We've got Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1031, dead sideways all day long. I mean, look how sideways this action is on Shiba Inu coin here. GameStop sitting at $22.99. GameStop pulling back just slightly on the day, 4% lower, about $1 loss, but GameStop has been sitting around this level for the last couple days now. Bitcoin, wonder why Shiba Inu coin is sitting sideways? Because Bitcoin is sitting sideways. Bitcoin all afternoon, $27,000 per coin, and Bitcoin falling down this morning on news that Binance is now being sued. Yes, you heard that correctly. Binance is being sued. The NASDAQ pulling back into the close there, going from 11,834 down to 11,768. GameStop, like we say, $22.99. Bayer Therapeutics, $2.67. AMC, $4.56. Ethereum sitting at $17.04 right now. Shiba, $10.33. Dogecoin, 7.2 cents. Bitcoin, $27,000. Sundial, $1.54. Mullen Auto, 10 cents. Ladies and gentlemen, touching 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, unable to break down through 10 cents. Oh man, question is, will we see single digits on Mullen Auto? This stock is insane, man. CEI sitting at $1.40 right now. SPY $396. BBIG 34 cents. Highcroft Mining 38 cents. Netflix $327. QQQ 308.76 at the close. 309 after hours. And Ape sitting at $1.41. Ape bouncing around, but still coming up off those lows at $1.35 there. Ape closing the day at $1.41. Man, I'm telling you, what a volatile day today. What do we got going on? Hey, Clay, how's Grandpa? Aiden, Grandpa's doing good. Gonna be spending a lot of time with Pap this week. Tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. So be on standby for the live streams not the rest of this week, Friday for sure. But be on standby. I'm going to try and either do a shortened version of the lives, just because I don't want to go live the whole day, or possibly one out of the two lives. We'll see how that goes, but yes, pay attention to the live streams. They may or may not be happening tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. Thank you very much for asking, Aiden. Appreciate that. Franchise, what's going on, Franchise? Good afternoon, bro, fam. Gorilla Invictus, how you doing? 7 people, 7 likes. That's 100% we represent, and I like it. Whoa. What's up, Clay, bro? What's going on, man? Are you real, or are you just a bot coming in here? Because I'm almost positive nobody is going to send you a message on WhatsApp when I'm clearly right here on the screen. So calm down on that one there, buddy. And, meet the gang if you want. Click kicked off and had to log back in. Did Dark Bro get some hydration? Dude. Oh, you sent that before I even got on here. Dark Bro's gonna get some hydration. I didn't even come on until 5 minutes ago. The stream's only been going on for 4 minutes and 29 seconds. And that came over 8 minutes ago. Dark Bro definitely, boom, baby, is first. Dilly on that one to my Dark Brilly. I love it. Dark Bro definitely got some authorized hydration on that one. And a beautiful super chat from Pat. Patman, thank you very much for the Streamlabs super chat. Dude, Pat is killing it on the Streamlabs super chat, guys. I'm telling you right now, Pat is absolutely killing it. Streamlabs is the way to go. They don't take any fees from the super chat. I love it. Patrick, man, thank you very much for that. Absolutely appreciate it. And another one. Ooh, just it. Is this another one? This is. He says just in case. So the question is, Pat, did you even see that first one come through? Because the first one did just come through, and now this one is coming through, Patrick, just in case. Dark Bro is double first, baby. Dilly to my boy Dark Brilly. With that beautiful Authorized hydration and a fizz, boom, fizz, boom, fizz, boom, baby. Thank you very much, Pat, for both of those super chats. My goodness, absolutely appreciate that. Pat is absolutely destroying it, man. Thank you very much, Pat. Especially for, I mean, the super chats are great, man. But thank you very much for using Streamlabs and averting those fees, dude. John J says, ChatGPT time, please and thank you. We got some AI to learn. John J, what do you want to do? You want to look up ChatGPT and look up some stuff on Chat? I haven't been on ChatGPT since that one time we wrote a story about a dog that likes to invest. Remember that story we wrote about a little Shiba Inu coin dog that likes to invest? I did, but we all get firsty. We do get firsty, Pat, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What up, Moji? Moji, how you doing, man? I haven't seen Moji since last week. Moji, hopefully you're having a good day so far today. Shiba Inu coin falling off a little ledge right here. Shiba, real quick, going from 1038 down to 1028. Shiba Inu coin down 3.25% of the day. We are going to watch Bitcoin because, nope, that brought up Bitcoin news. I don't want Bitcoin news. I want Bitcoin's chart. Bitcoin sitting at 26,956 right now. We may be curling back over intraday lows on Bitcoin, 26,500. And like I said a couple minutes ago, this is on news that Binance is being sued. Binance is being sued by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Commodities and Futures Trading Commission is suing Binance for Binance is just they're funding terrorism and all this nonsense stuff, man. The SEC figured they probably can't come after Binance, so CFTC is going to come after Binance. So, Clay, does the SEC still have a case on Ripple or XRP if Biden debunked crypto as not a security in his budget and does not pass the Howey test? Kenneth, in my opinion, no. Okay, so they do need to make up their mind. Clearly, you watched the video that I posted last night. I really do think that they need to make up their mind. You cannot have, so a commodity in and of itself is just something that trades, something that doesn't necessarily have fundamental value, right? Currencies, trading, technically, corn and wheat and stuff, those are commodities. Salt is a commodity, sugar is a commodity. So agricultural commodities exist as well, but they technically have fundamental value. Gold, silver, commodities with, utility and fundamental value there. But the White House being very clear that they are saying cryptocurrencies are not assets, cryptocurrencies have no fundamental value, and cryptocurrencies, in their description, don't even come close to passing the Howey test. Now, the Howey test, I forget what... Man, the 4 pillars, you got to have an investment of money in an entity, right? Hold on, let me I don't want to mess this up. All right, I want to make sure I don't mess this up here. You need an investment of money in a common enterprise with the expectation of profit, and that profit is to be derived from the effort of others. So yeah, if you're looking at this right here and you see that this is the Howey test, and in order to be a security, it needs to pass this. Now, here's my thing on Ripple, okay? I truly believe that XRP may pass this test. People buying XRP goes up in value, yes, but XRP is actually not intended to go up in value. XRP is intended to be transferred. XRP is intended to be used as a currency. XRP is not intended to increase in value. So if that said the reasonable expectation of profit, I would say that XRP may not pass that test. But since it says the expectation of profit, I think that people do expect XRP to go up in value right now from the effort of others. XRP is a centralized cryptocurrency, so XRP, in my opinion, is slightly different. And that is one that I think can be argued both ways. But when you look at something like Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin, okay, you can invest money. I'll admit that all day long. You can invest money. Now, a common enterprise. Bitcoin is not an enterprise. It's not a company. It's not controlled. You are just buying a digital asset. You are just buying a bit of code. You're not investing in a common enterprise with Bitcoin. So I'm going to argue that one right away. Expectation of profit. Now, we do expect the value of Bitcoin to go up as Bitcoin becomes more and more scarce and as Bitcoin is no longer created. So you could have the expectation of profit, but if you're investing in cryptocurrency, or if you're investing in Bitcoin based on Bitcoin's intended use of strict transactions, well, you couldn't have the expectation of profit. It's not supposed to increase in value. It's just supposed to become more scarce. So, Bitcoin doesn't pass number 3 either, and to be derived from the efforts of others. Literally nobody's effort can make the price or increase the value of Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin doesn't pass the test either, man. I don't think any of these decentralized cryptocurrencies pass the test, but that's why we have courts, because people like to argue. And debate might be a better word than argue, but I think they like to argue at this point. So if any of you guys would actually argue to the contrary, that it is a security, please throw out your reasons why, because it would make my arguments against them even stronger, and I'm not going to shoot them down, man. I'm just going to try and go back with a counter argument on it. So if any of you guys do think that Bitcoin or any of these other cryptos are securities, please tell me why you think it would pass the Howey test right there, and it would be considered an investment of, I'll give you the investment of money. It would be considered a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation, or with an expectation of profit derived from the work of others. Try to hit those last 3. The investment of money, I get. Well, actually, the investment of money, I stated against that in the video last night, because technically I could run not on Bitcoin, but on Ethereum or any of these other cryptocurrencies. You know, I could just run a program on my computer right now and invest literally zero money and get rewarded in Ethereum Classic, Ravencoin, and so on. So you really don't even have to invest any money to get it. We'll talk about End Earth as we know it. John Jay, I mean, it probably will, dude. People are getting crazy over this kind of stuff. Like the Terminator movies, that I don't think so. Moji! Thank you very much for the Super Chat, Moji, coming in hot this afternoon with a beautiful... Thank you very much, Moji, for the King Turkey. Hopefully Tim is listening right now, because I have not seen Tim all day today. Thank you very much for that, Moji. Loving it. Please, idea on USTC, sale or wait. Ralph, man. Completely up to you. I don't own any USTC, but if you want to take a little risk on it, Duncan is supposed to be starting up on his white paper release for repegging USTC. I'm Tens AMC. AMC is basically going to be stuck waiting for the April 27th court hearing. I personally do not think that AMC should reverse split. I personally do not think that AMC should dilute their shareholders any further. And I personally do not think that we should see the conversion of APE back into AMC. If we do so, it is of my opinion that the hedge funds have won the game and retail investors have lost the game. Why? Because the hedge funds are going to own everything that they need to own in order to cover the shares that are reported as being short. Of course, you can believe that the naked shares exist, and if they do, we still stand a chance. If they do, but they are never proven to exist, well, we don't stand a chance, because they're only ever going to have to cover what is reported as being shorted. So, I mean, that's my thoughts on AMC. It's really all going to boil down to what happens at the court hearing on April 27th. Kenneth! Thank you very much for the member chat. Kenneth says, dang, LUNC following Bitcoin, needing LUNC to 12,257. Wasn't Terra Luna Classic at 12,257 this morning? Let's see. Let's see where Terra Luna Classic's at. Because I thought it was in the 12s this morning. Must be a little lower than that. Terra Luna Classic currently sitting at 11,900 points per coin. Yes, it is following Bitcoin, and it is following Bitcoin slightly lower today. Terra Luna Classic, boop, dropped off a little bit to 11.9, bounced up to 12.1, and currently sitting at 11.9 once again. This is among the lowest, if not the lowest, that it has been. Yeah, it dipped down to 11.9 here on March 11th. And it is currently sitting at 11.9 here. But that, I'm not going to be able to. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's the lowest we have been since taking off last year. Yep. This is the lowest Terra Luna Classic has been since taking off in August of 2022. My goodness, dude. 5-7 months. This is the lowest we've been in like the last 7 months. It's hard to see. Knowing that we're at about 1,200 points per coin right now, if it breaks that and we're retesting these lows, yeah, we're breaking this little area right in here. We get to absolutely be testing 10,000 points per coin again. If it breaks that level, I'd hate to see it, but we'd be back down to the 5,000 points. And I think that a lot of people would be pretty discouraged if we go all the way back down there. I'm going to tell you right now, though, I'm going to be just honest with you guys. With the way that they're coming after crypto, I really do not think that we're just going to, open up Easy Street and soar in value. I really think that we are going to have our work cut out for us. And I really think that if you're investing in crypto, invest in it. Either take, Kenneth's trading approach and hit all of the short-term price action, or take a breath, step back, and say, it's not going to be for a minute until we see another bull market take place. And that minute can only happen after all of the regulation is done and over with. Dollar months, my butt. Something dollar months. Dollar months would be good, I guess. I missed the part about your butt, dude. Thanks for the now. Let's finish the day up 2% and now from down 5%. AMC. Yeah, well, intraday, man, there's a lot going on with gosh, dude, the banking sector and the tech stocks getting hit, driving the NASDAQ up and down today. So the NASDAQ was very volatile but had a very hard day. And yes, AMC was able to bounce back a little bit. So I'm not terribly concerned about AMC intraday. I really think that AMC is looking forward to April 27th for major moves. J-Bones! We got a King Turkey for Mosif's Golf Peeps and some authorized hydration because it kills the throat. Moji, you golfing right now? Thank you very much, J-Bones, for the super chat and the authorized hydration. Oh, man. To calm it down after that insane King Turkey. Thank you very much, J-Bones. Absolutely appreciate that, man. It's all in perspective. We're going to get lower and lower and low. We could go lower, dude. I look at a lot of people that are saying my stocks are at rock bottom. They cannot go any lower. And, well, I think that they could. I think that they could go lower. We've got a lot going on in crypto, where crypto can be driven lower. We're just one lawsuit away, right? Coinbase is getting sued. Binance is getting sued. These exchanges may be tied up for the next 3, 4, 5 years. Look at the Ripple lawsuit. It's still going on. We could be tied up with these stupid lawsuits for the next decade in cryptocurrency. So crypto having a very difficult time innovating right now. Crypto is going to see most of its innovation outside of the U.S., which is fine, but that really prohibits a lot of growth because the U.S. has a lot of money. As far as stocks go, inflation at any given time, dude, could turn right back around and go up. interest rates. If they did not peak at the last meeting and they raise interest rates again, it is going to be brutal on the market, because the market right now is pricing in that interest rates have peaked. So there's still a lot that can drive stocks back to the downside. And I think we got our work cut out for us this year, guys. 8-ball question: breakfast or green? I don't think that he's gonna answer breakfast or green. Let's see. Breakfast. Is it breakfast? Let's say, is it breakfast? I don't even know what that means, man. Ask me again later. Is it green? Don't count on it. So go with breakfast on that one, because don't count on it being green, man. Don't count on it being green. Let's see. 4 months on my butt. Been a bro for over a year. YouTube. Gotcha. Dude, Kenneth, I have no idea what YouTube does, man. YouTube is bizarre. And I don't know if... You know what? I want to know that, too. Does anybody know, does Streamlabs give you an icon? Streamlabs icon wouldn't show up in YouTube chat, but the Streamlabs icon would show up in Streamlabs chat. And I don't know if Streamlabs gives you an icon. Igley, just wondering, for every project building on Shibarium, will they all burn Shib? So yes, every single transaction on Shibarium will burn Shib. You cannot get away with that without burning Shib on Shibarium. Every single project doesn't have to contribute to the burns on their own. So let me just show you an example. If I build a project and I call it Brocoin, I don't have to burn anything. But every transaction that takes place on Shibarium does burn Shiba Inu coin. You got to think of it that way. Richie's playing talk, man. Too many green names, so I keep this to the keeper of the bros. Richie's playing talk, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Oh my gosh, dude. Well, Richie's getting pinned for the rest of the day, man. Richie is getting pinned for the rest of the day. Hold on. If you guys do not subscribe to Richie's channel, please, I am begging you. Dude shows up on my homepage. I love it. Guys, if you do not... Oh, hey, Richie's growing too, man. Richie had 136. Now he's at 141. Richie is definitely growing. Richie, you're doing something right, man. Coming over here, coming over here, coming over here. Hold on. I got to come over here. And I have to come over here. Guys, if you do not subscribe to Richie's channel, he is pinned, obviously, for the rest of the day after that one. Thank you very much, Richie, for the super chat. Oh my gosh. And guys, 48 of you in here right now, subscribe to this man's channel. Absolutely killing it. He's growing. He added like 5% subscribers over the last couple of days. So the dude is obviously doing something right. Richie, do not stop, and make sure that you guys go click the subscribe button right now on his channel. I just posted the link right there, so make sure to go click that. And let's get a little Richie action going on right here. Little Richie action, guys. Please go subscribe to his channel. Richie's Plain Talk right there. The dude absolutely killing it, posting a lot of content, got a lot of good videos. Please make sure that you help him grow his channel. He is absolutely, oh my gosh, so generous when it comes to supporting the channel here. Richie, thank you very much, and make sure that you guys go subscribe to his channel. Well, I guess I was semi-wrong, not gonna lie. I thought they all would burn along. Slayer JC, are you talking about the projects, right? They don't have to burn their own money. So, like, they don't have to say, all right, we're gonna set aside 1% to burn. All right, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this. But any of the transactions that take place, like if I build a bro app, a bro decentralized app, if I build a, bro whatever, then if any of those transactions take place on Shibarium, 70% of the base fee. The base fee should probably be somewhere between half a cent and a cent. And so 70% of that, roughly a third of a cent to half a cent, a third of a cent to, I guess, 0.7 cents, is going to burn Shiba Inu coin per transaction. So the name of the game is to get as many transactions as possible. Even if it's 1,000 microtransactions a minute, you want as many transactions as possible. Think about it. If you ran some high-frequency trading bots or something on Shibarium's network, that would be very beneficial to the Shiba Inu coin burns. Richie is the good stuff. Like and subscribe. Listen to Tim right now. Guys, thank you yes, Richie, seriously, man. Thank you very much for that. My gosh. Definitely pinned for the rest of the day here. You guys better be clicking. I would love to see Richie above 150 by the end of the stream. So please, guys, click the link that's at the top of the chat. Support Richie because he's clearly supporting the bros right now. Richie, man, thank you very much. MKUL, Caesar. Let's do it. Shout out to channel. Kenneth, man, thank you very much. And, guys, a shout right now. If you say that you subscribe to Richie's channel, MKUL. Is this a stock or a crypto? It is a stock, ladies and gentlemen. $1.74 to close today. MKUL Molecule Group. Interesting way to spell molecule. Okay, so they are jumping back up after being beaten down in price over the last couple of months here. Molecule, MKUL, was trading in a nice range between, what is this, 275 and 375 per share, and has curled over to the downside. That is not good, but the good news is it may be bouncing back up. So tap the tiny area of 2-day resistance here today and pulled back a little bit, but you're really not going to see much resistance until you get back into this 220, 230 area. So you could still see another 50-cent gain before you run into some decent resistance here on Molecule. So check it out if you guys want to. I have no idea what they do. Very low market cap at $50 million. No dividend, so if you get stuck holding them, you're basically going to be stuck holding them. But they have seen some wild swings before. I mean, look at this here back in June of 2022. I don't know why, but they ran from $1.70 all the way up to $23. So this company is no stranger. Golly ball, man. This company is no stranger to massive volatility. It's just how long do you have to wait before the volatility kicks in? And Molecule is, well, gonna pull it out here. It's definitely up over the last day, but it's after being beaten down pretty hard in price. So yes, Caesar, Molecule is up and looking good right now. My goodness. Richie, man. I love the fact that you're going to stay at the top of the screen for the rest of the stream. Richie the man, bro. Richie is the man. Thanks again. Absolutely. Richie, man. Thank you. Guys, I'm going to keep saying it till the end of the stream now. Richie threw a $100 super chat out there. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. He's pinned to the top of the chat right there. All you got to do is subscribe. Show the dude some love, man. Dark Bro, going through some stuff. I'm not in the wrong. All's well. Good deal, man. I hope everybody, I don't want anybody to be in the wrong, man. Don't want anybody to be in the wrong. Matrix, my phone was accidentally taken, then recovered and returned. Oh, yeah. Man, accidentally taken. Not stolen or anything, just accidentally taken. We love our bro Richie. We do love Richie, man. Richie looks like a bro. I'd invite to my barbecue. There you go, Caesar. Richie is the man. You guys better be subscribing to his channel, showing the dude some love. Subscribe. Best of luck, Richie. Aiden, thank you very much. Dude, I love it, man. You guys are the best at showing support. Wait, which AI do you like the best? New one coming out. I'm waiting on a list for GPT-4. So, gosh, man. Richie, it is so tough right now. I really liked AI back at the end of December and beginning of January. And I honestly can't say that I have a favorite AI at the moment, because what I'm noticing with a lot of these AIs is, I don't even know the best way to say it, but builder bias, okay? And I don't think that AI should be biased. I think that artificial intelligence should be just that. It can make its mind up on its own. And I don't know if it'll ever reach that level. But when I ask you a question, why should you vote Republican? And it says, well, you should never vote Republican. I can't answer that because that's a terrible thing to do, and you're a bad person if you vote Republican. Why should I vote Dem? Well, Democrats are typically more progressive and welcoming. You know, when you've got political bias built in, I don't like it. If I'm going to ask a chat GPT why I should vote Republican, it should list some benefits of voting Republican. It should list some benefits of voting Democrat. It should not have some sort of a program or bias in it. If, for example, if the developers didn't like crypto, they would say, well, you shouldn't because it's speculative in nature and it's no different than gambling. You shouldn't be investing in it. If, but there's proven race and political bias in these AI programs right now. And until they get rid of that, dude, I really don't think that we live in a world. I mean, you can make bad decisions, and I can like or dislike you based on your bad decisions. But I don't think we should live in a world, man, where, me having white skin and somebody else having a different color skin is good or bad. I don't think we should live in a world where, I'm not even allowed to discuss whether or not I think the benefits or the pros and cons of voting a certain way. It's a little crazy, dude. It's a little crazy, the world we live in right now. And I think that AI needs to tweak itself before it gets wild. J-Bones! Clay, check out Frank's last. And, well, I'm going for Frank. That was so good that I don't want to do it again. J-Bones, man, thank you very much for the super chat. King Cow coming in hot, baby. I'm invisible today. Frank, I can see you. I can see. What's the word? What's the quote from Avatar? What's the quote from Avatar? Like, I see you. I see you. But it means more. It means so much more than I just see you. I see you, Frank. I see you. Frank, you're not invisible, man. I see you right now. Well, I see you, dude. I'm not going to lie because of J-Bones right there. So thank you very much, Frank, for that super chat. Or for the chat. And J-Bones, thank you very much for the super chat. I really appreciate that, man. Congratulations, Kalani. I didn't see what Kalani said. Go hit that like button. Listen to Shannon. Click that like button. Yeah, bro. Got a house offer accepted. 112,500. Place. Very nice, man. Gonna have 12,500 in equity on it to start 5.6% interest. Second part-time job on the way. Boom! Waiting for an interview. I'll be back soon. Kalani, I love it, man. And don't be afraid to pay that house off quick because 5.6% is a high interest rate. Much better than the 7% average, though. So you're doing something right, Kalani. I like it. Hooked up, bro. Instead of watching the first half of your stream, I just bounced in and out running commercials. Oh, God, dude. I knew that ad revenue was kicking up for some reason, and now I know it's because of Outdoor Smile. Outdoor Smile, man. Thank you No, it really does help when you guys come in and out and you hit those commercials up. It really does help a lot. Does Shibarium have a DeFi wallet? Shibarium is going to use Shiba Swap. So nothing is built on Shibarium yet, but Shibarium is going to be using Shiba Swap. And it doesn't have a DeFi wallet outside of essentially MetaMask, okay? So you can hold on the decentralized exchange and stake on Shiba Swap if you would like. But as far as DeFi wallet goes, MetaMask it's what's going to be needed to build on Shibarium's network. Patrick, thank you. JP, I saw that horrible, but that cow was great, man. That cow was great, and you know it was. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Looks like Streamlabs is acting up, or YouTube wants their 30-piece. Clay, make sure to take your breakfast and... what did Streamlabs do? Did Streamlabs do something? Oh, geez, I don't know if Streamlabs didn't do anything or not. But, Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. And breakfast is going to be in the form of some authorized hydration. That is beautiful, man. You guys have no idea how good that authorized hydration hits. Thank you very much for that, Pat. Absolutely appreciate it. My goodness, man. And, yeah, if Streamlabs is acting up, dude, well, we pull on through and we keep moving forward. Thank you very much. And as I'm looking at the top of the screen, guys, don't forget to click at where it might be for you right here. Don't forget to click on the link at the top of the screen for Richie. Subscribe to the dude's channel. Huge supporter, man. That's why you guys see that red super chat up there. Make sure to click that link, subscribe to his channel, and then, of course, come back and hang out in here as we continue this live stream. 794 credit score pays off, baby. Ooh, yes. Kalani, I like it, dude. 794 credit score would pay off. My credit score, dude, it's kind of like, well, credit score? What's a credit score? I don't even know. Michael Allen! Thank you very much for the super chat. Michael Allen says, feds, banks, interest, Shib, Clay's chin, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, boom, baby. Michael, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love that, man. The most consistent player in the game. Loving it. Yes, dude. Really appreciate that, Michael. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey, bro, check out my newest play, Reed. This dude just never stops, does he? This dude never stops. He's going on Reed now. He got paid, and now he's got Reed. Reed, is this the right one? Dark, bro? Reed Dow, is that the right one? Franks, I tried. You did, J-Bones. Is Frank in here again? That I just missed it. Long-term retirement portfolio closed the day up 0.52%. Cover call sold. Ford for 9 cents 3 weeks out. MPW for 6 cents 2 weeks out. Very nice, Frank. Very nice on that. MPW is looking... Let's look at MPW in a sec. I do want to look at this. MPW at $7.50 is extremely low and a massive bargain if things begin to turn around, okay? MPW is a REIT, and MPW is killing it with a 15.55% dividend yield, guys. 15.55% dividend yield. That is insane. 29 cents per share it looks quarter. 29 cents per share every quarter. MPW is just, I mean, a dividend right there is too good to pass up at 15.5%. If it comes down any further, you're going to be looking at a 20% darn dividend, man. Like, why not? Why not at that point? But you know, it is breaking down through major levels of support. You look at this monthly graph right here. We're well below the 2020 level of support. This month has been pretty hard on MPW, and we're coming back down to levels at $7 that we have not seen since 2012. So it's a slow and steady grower, but getting destroyed by this increase in interest rates over the last year and a half here. So that's really what you got to look out for, is this increase in interest rates could be making things pretty difficult for MPW. Good news is interest rates have theoretically peaked. And if they have peaked, well, then of course we should see this bad boy start ticking back up again. Triple your capital gains and make a beautiful, man, 15+% return every year in dividends alone. Coming back down here, thinking. Heck yeah, Kalani. Let's see. Clay, let's get some new designs going. Is J-Bones the new rocket? J-Bones might be the new rocket. I do not know. But what's wrong with the classic? What's wrong with the classic designs right here? Nobody likes just the classic bro? Nobody likes just the classic bro anymore? It's too old school? We need something new going on? No, I did actually. Rocket was in here last week, I forget what day it was. This is for Richie, not financial advice. So Shib and buy LUNC. He knows, baby. He knows, Michael, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. And Richie knows what he's talking about. Richie knows his stuff, and it's never. That doesn't mean not financial advice, Michael. It means never financial advice. Rocket! market. Oh, yes. J-Bones knows all about it, too. Binance being sued by the CFTC. Yes, Slayer JC. So CFTC coming after Binance, saying that Binance is not following regulations to ensure that money laundering and terrorism funding does not take place on their platform, and skirting the law. So they're taking them to court. Why? Well, because the SEC is going after Coinbase. The SEC can't go after Binance. So the CFTC is going to go after Binance. Don't forget, the Attorney General is going after KuCoin. And all of these exchanges are going to see lawsuits. Every single one. It's just a matter of time before Crypto.com is sued as well. It's just a matter of time. I believe every single crypto exchange is going to be in court throughout the next couple of years now. We are going to see the regulation play out, and we are going to see whether or not these are the growing pains or this is the end. One or the other, man. And I'm okay if it's the end of crypto investing, right? Because they can't shut down the utility for cryptocurrency. The investing, hey man, maybe that's that. The utility, I can't shut that down. Let's see. J-Bones will be the new BFF then. I like it. We've got Clay. We just need a bunch of rocks, a grinder, and make it as smooth or as rough as we want them and sell them for $2 each. We'll make a killing. Giovanni. Let's go 250, baby. Let's go 250. Still need a bro shirt. Kenneth does need... Kenneth, are you in Canada or was that somebody else who was in Canada? Kenneth does need a bro shirt. Good afternoon, Claire. Remember I made a comment on Twitter about 6 months ago that I predicted that we will start seeing a bull run in April. My reason for seeing how 2022 was a rough year. You know what, Sean? It is possible, and I do hope that we see some sort of a bull market begin, or a bull run begin in April here. It's just, there's that part of me that wonders if it's going to continue on with Binance now being sued, Coinbase now being sued, the SEC suing everybody. Patrick! Thank you much for the Streamlabs Super Chat. Streamlabs seems to be working right now. I love it. Dude, every time it comes across Streamlabs, I think to myself, beautiful, man. No fees whatsoever. Thank you very much for that. Absolutely appreciate that Super Chat. Thank you very much for going directly through Streamlabs as well, dude. Cutting out all of the fees. Incredible, Pat. You're the man, dude. MPW has FFO, funds from operations, still 1.35 times over the dividend, 95% occupancy on long-term leases with no plans to cut dividends. Look, I'm not going to lie. Frank, I feel like I don't have the time to be able to look into MPW the way that you just laid that out. If I looked into every single stock and every single crypto the way, that I would want to, I would need 50, 60, 70 hours a day. And I unfortunately don't have 50, 60, 70 hours a day. I wish I did, but I don't. That is beautiful gold mine knowledge right there, guys. It's gold mine knowledge. So not only do they have the cash on hand, not only do they have the operating cash coming in, not only do they have secure 95% occupancy on their long-term leases, interest rates, which is probably going to be difficult for them because they're paying more and may or may not be bringing in increased rent, interest rates potentially peaking, positive sign after positive sign after positive sign after positive sign. If over the next 5 years, MPW quadruples in value, continues to increase their dividend, and you're sitting on 4x your money, or more if it goes down a little bit more, 4x your money, and a 30% annualized dividend on your investment, that is going to be gold, man. It is going to be amazing. So thank you very much for that information, Frank. See my video today after reading Twitter. I told Satoshi to cease and desist as a holder of Bone. Bone is governance coin and as is for using Shib name to make money. Yeah, So everything in the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem uses Shib's name to make money. I mean, it really does. Shiba Inu coin grew faster than anything else, and Shiba Inu coin has massive marketing potential. And these dudes that built it up know that. They really do. Paul in here too? Where's Paul, man? I haven't even seen Paul. What do we got? John J. A long time ago, Pika voted me to get a medium Claybro shirts, but I never got it. Just sharing. Well, John J., man, that's a medium right there. You want that black and red one? Dude, if you want that black and red one, man, I'll send that black and red one to you. I didn't realize I still owed people shirts. I thought I was done, man. I thought I was done on that. John J., send me a message, John J. I get you a shirt, because that's a medium right there. And I got a gray medium over there. You want gray and red, or you want black and red? Patrick, thank you very much for 5 green names. We've got Feisty Evo. Isn't Feisty Evo Pika's friend? I thought the Feisty Evo was Pika's friend. Is that right? We got Lemon, we got Shredder, we got Tubes, and we've got Michael with green names. Loving it right now. Yes. Sweet. Thank you very much, Pat, for the 5 green names. Loving it right now. Thank you, Tim, for your service. I spent a long time on Fort Geely, and I saw plenty. My gosh. Yes, it must be Pika's friend, because Pika's saying Eevee. Oh my gosh, no, not Eevee. We got Pika and Eevee in here. 2 little Pokemon, not my friend anymore. Oh gosh. Well, that's not good, Pika. That's not good. But, yeah, she might not be in here. So that's, the good news is she might not be in here right now. The bad news is you guys technically aren't friends anymore. Let's see. A good food luck on surgery. Well, we all need food luck on surgery, guys. Everybody needs some food luck, Shayna. Oh, good luck. My bad. I thought you meant food luck. Everyone have a good day. You as well. Clay, how are the burns looking? A bit discouraged after you said how many years it would take to burn all those zeros. Yeah, so Giovanni, man, look, it is discouraging, right? But that's the trade-off for having such low fees. You have to choose. You know, you could have a blockchain where we burn 10 times as much and the fees are 10 cents a transaction instead of 1 penny a transaction. We could burn 100 times as much and the fees are $1 as opposed to a penny. You know, a penny's really set up, dude, for micro transactions to take place. I believe that Ethereum is too expensive. I really do. Ethereum, if you're gonna trade, $100 and you're getting hit with a $20 fee, if you're gonna trade $20 and you're getting hit with a $15 fee, that's insane. It doesn't really work very well on Ethereum. The fees are way too high. But I mean, a penny to me is almost way too low. Now, I get it if microtransactions are the target. And I mean, 10 cents, 20 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents. At that point, okay, a penny's fine. But if I'm trading $100 and I get hit with a penny fee, I'm really not going to be that upset if I get hit with a quarter or 50 cents. People are so used to paying fees in the crypto industry that I think that we could have easily 25x, 50x, 100x those gains based on increasing the fees to reasonable levels, not obscenely low levels. So hopefully these obscenely low levels drive massive adoption and massive utility by businesses. Let's see what we've got. Thank you, Shayna and Slayer. Heck yeah, DD2418. You still owe me a shirt, but forget Kai. I don't know if did I owe Kai a shirt, or is Kai trying to come after a shirt right now? I don't remember owing Kai a shirt. Dark Pro contracted for the money and the fun. No thanks needed. You're the man, Tim. You're the man. For real, everybody who has served anywhere, thank you. I would go with 10 cents. Yeah, Mike, man, I don't know the best. I really don't know the best route to go. 10 cents is still very low. Even if you're trading $5, 10-cent fee is still very low. I feel like people are so used to fees that making transactions free doesn't have much of an added benefit. I mean, does that make sense to you guys? I get it if the transactions are 5-10 cent transactions, but a penny fee compared to a 50-cent fee, a 25-cent fee, a 10-cent fee. I feel like people are so used to fees right now that they don't even care. They don't even care about paying them. Ethereum is ridiculous. Like, I purposely think they make fees too high to discourage small transactions. Yeah, Dark Bro, they probably do now because they've grown so large that they don't need the smaller transactions. That could be a thought on it too. I can believe that, Dark Bro. Yes. Oh, well. The guy's like, I tried, man. I tried. Let's think positive. What would it take for Shib to get back to 8,800? What would Bitcoin have to get to? John J., I'm still going to think that they were going to both reach their all-time highs around the same time. So Bitcoin, 50, 60, 70,000, and Shiba Inu coin is going to be back up to, 7, 8, 9,000 points per coin. How does it get there is the question. I really don't think it's going to get there as every crypto exchange is being sued. I really don't. I don't want that to discourage anybody because I clearly want it to go up in price as well. But when Shiba Inu coin ran that high, okay, it was a topic of discussion. And all you had to do was go out, your mom could go open up a Coinbase account and buy some Shiba Inu coin. You could sign up for Webull and get $5 free Shiba Inu coin. And everybody wanted Robinhood to add Shiba Inu coin. Right now, with everybody being sued, it's not going to be as easy as, okay, well, this Easter, tell your mom to buy some Shiba Inu coin. Boom, she opens up Coinbase, she signs up with an account, she's got an account in 5 minutes, and she's sitting on some Shiba Inu coin. We're going to need to get past all this crap before we see those prices. So, like, don't shoot the messenger or whatever. Don't blame the messenger. But I really do think that we've got a lot of dirt to walk through before we get back to Bitcoin 60, 70,000. Shiba Inu coin 8,000, 9,000 points per coin. I think that we've got our work cut out for us. Clay, Mr. Membership Chat. I will never miss a membership chat, but I did from DD214. Hey, fam, keep me in your prayers. Surgery tomorrow. DD214. Absolutely, man. Now I understand what the food surgery was. The food surgery is, no food luck on surgery. DD214, man, we absolutely got you. No worries on that. Very sorry that I missed that. I must have gone straight over to the one that Pat sent with all them green names there. And yes, dude, praying for the surgery. Everything is going to be just fine. No worries. That's one of the... Look, dude, hopefully... I'm not trying to freak you out, right? Hopefully your doctor's not an idiot. Okay? Doctors can be idiots too. But you got to look at it this way, man. You're probably really nervous. This dude does it all day, every day. So the same way somebody might be nervous coming to step in a live stream or something, if you do it all day, every day, you are used to it. And he's not worried about it. You're the one worrying about it. Just trust in the doctor, and more importantly than that, trust in the prayers, because doctors can be idiots, right? But you're going to be doing good, DD214. You're going to be in good hands, man. And hopefully your doctor's not an idiot. Just finished doing my taxes. Looks like I owe Ukraine $6,559. What up, Clay, bro? Mr. Johnny London. God, dude. Oh, yeah. Mr. Johnny London, man. When you put it like that, I can't stand to think how much I funded Ukraine with the taxes that I would have paid over the last year. Oh my God. Mr. Johnny London, I was actually having a decent day until you walked in here with that nonsense, man. Oh my gosh. A penny is too low, but it will help bone prices. As Satoshi owns bone, don't give a what about Shib. Your tools for Scamtoshi to use. I'm not a tool for anybody to use, Tim. Hey, I do think that Satoshi unfollowed me on Twitter, though. Satoshi definitely followed me before, but I don't think that Satoshi follows me anymore. It's actually, I don't know if it's, like, good or if that's a bad thing, but I don't think he follows me anymore. So I was like, oh, what the heck happened with that? Why 1,000% less? Richie's playing talk. I missed 1,000% less on something. My bad on that one. Also, it forces you to use a centralized exchange. I, as a user, would be fine with even a $1 fee. See what I'm saying? You know what? Actually, with a couple minutes left in the chat right now, guys, what is and please don't let this be rhetorical. Please answer it. Throw some numbers in the chat right now, okay? What would you guys actually be not just okay with, right? I mean, maybe your average transactions are $100 and you'd be okay with like $3, $4, $5 fees. Maybe your average transactions are $500 and $5 fee would be really low. I can guarantee you I would never even think about a quarter. If I look at Binance, those are usually like 30, 50 cents for some transactions on BNB coins. What would you guys find 100% not only acceptable, but you don't even like think of it as a transaction fee? 25 cents, 50 cents, $1? Like, what would you guys look to and still be like, nah, dude, that's not even like a concern? Because if you spend $1 at the store, dude, they're charging you 6 cent, 7 cent tax fee anyway. People are so used to more than penny fees that I really do think a penny is way too low. But and it would be more efficient for the burns, right? It'd be more efficient for the burns to have the higher fees there. J-Bones wants it free, man. J-Bones says, don't you dare charge me a fee. Yes, Tezza, Koyo, I've done not a couple videos on them, but I've mentioned them in a couple videos. They have burned a lot of Shiba Inu coin over the last month. They've been doing very well. It's been months, but yeah, you promised me a hoodie. It was a joke then. Probably a joke now. God, dude, why would I joke about something like that? Oh, man. And thank you, Caesar. Thank you, man. Can we have the bull run? I got tons of crypto. Crypto shady, man. You were going to be feeling very good during the bull run then. Dark Bro says up to $3. Tim says up to $3. Yeah, man. You're literally paying that anywhere you go. It is a fee anyway. Question, Shibarium charging a penny per dollar, transaction or percentage? Transaction. So, Giovanni, we can read the documents maybe tomorrow in a live stream. It's already 5 o'clock now. But they stated that many transactions, the quote is, many transactions will have a fee of less than 1 cent. Now, many transactions, we're going to use that number as an average. Some of them will be lower than 1 cent. Some of them could be slightly higher than 1 cent. I believe the average fee on Polygon is around 2 to 3 cents. So if the average fee is the same, like 1 to 2 cents on Shibarium, that is per transaction. Doesn't matter if you're trading $1 million. Doesn't matter if you're trading 50 cents. It should be somewhere around a penny. Let's see here. Can't wait for the bull run. Saw that. LUNC crash. Is Terra Luna Classic coming down along with Bitcoin today, Donnie? Hey, Clebro, I'm going to try a quad burger at Burger King tomorrow. I didn't even know that Burger King had quad burgers, man. Hey, how's a hardware wallet more protected than a DeFi wallet? Is it merely the difference of a 24-word seed phrase versus a 12-word seed phrase? I never knew that your coins aren't actually on the hardware itself. So, Nate, yeah, I don't necessarily... Here's what I know about that, okay? And here was my thoughts on that. I don't think it's the 24 seed phrase versus the 12 and stuff. I think it's the fact that if I connect it to my phone, right? My phone is essentially connected to the internet. Somebody with some skill should be able to hack my phone and then have easier access to that data. Although my coins are still stored on the blockchain, As far as I know, a hardware wallet, like a little flat, this is not a wallet, but a hardware wallet is not connected to the internet. So therefore, it would make it more difficult for them to hack your wallet. That's my original interpretation of the added security of holding on a cold storage wallet like that. It's kind of the same deal as holding on a laptop's hard drive way back in the day. Let's see here. 1% per trade. Yeah, 1% is still a low fee, and that would help to increase fees there. Football, definitely. $3 to $5 for every 100. Yeah, David. I mean, then you're starting to get kind of normal transactions, right? Thomas says $1 to $3. Yeah, you guys are basically all in the same range. I always thought that Binance Smart Chain transactions were low fees as well. A belt buckle. A bro belt buckle might actually be pretty sweet, Caesar. I don't have any of those. What they should have done was ask the community's opinion what fair percentage would be instead of guessing. I understand that. Yeah, they're trying to compete with Polygon though, man. They're trying to make it as low as possible. It used to make me so mad when you had to spend $45 on $100. Yeah, David, that's definitely way too high, man. Definitely way too high of a fee when you're trading on Ethereum. I completely agree with that. But if you drop it down to 45 cents, that's still 45 times the fee of a penny. But 45 cents is really low, man. Let's see. The Botmatic is run by adults. That's the main difference. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Sorry, Streamlabs is acting up again. Congratulations to the new green names. May the wind always be at your backs and your finances be evergreen. I have no idea why Streamlabs is acting up, man. Pat, very sorry about that, but thank you very much for trying. Really appreciate the super chat, dude. And the authorized hydration. And the well wishes for all of the green names. Guys, 60 of you in here. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs before we leave. If you have not subscribed, top of the chat right now, if you have not subscribed to Richie's YouTube channel, please show the dude some love. Subscribe to the channel. He's got his thing pinned up there because of that super chat that you guys can still see at the top of the screen. Richie, man, thank you very much. Pat, thank you very much. J-Bones, everybody, thank you. Moji, if you're still in here, thank you very much today. Let's do these shout-outs, guys, and then please be, on call for the live stream tomorrow. Not 100% sure if it's going to take place as usual. I'm hanging out with Grandpa tomorrow, so I don't know if we're going to be live at the same times, if they're going to be half-hour streams, if I'm just going to do one, or what the deal is. So please be on the lookout for that. Timmy! Thank you very much for the green name. Tim, throwing it out there to Declan. Declan getting a green name. Declan, if you are in here, please say thank you to Tim. Tim, man, thank you very much for the super chat, or for the green name there. Loving it, dude. And I know Declan's going to love it as well, man. Let's do these shout-outs, guys, and we will be back tonight with videos 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Watch them 100 times if you guys got to watch them. Shout out to you, Rich, man. See you later. Peace out. Declan, hopefully you're in here and you enjoy the green name. Gorilla Invictus, enjoy your afternoon/evening, man. Kai, see you later. Don't be done with anything, man. Back to the Future is Slayer JC, Gorilla Invictus, J-Bones, baby. Richie's playing talk. Pauly doesn't have 600 trillion coins to burn either. Polygon does not have 600 trillion coins. That's a fact, man. Back to the Future. Enjoy it. Sarah, thanks for the info you give us. Sarah, thank you very much for being in here. Crypto Dreamer, see you later, man. Richie's playing talk. See you later. Enjoy your day. Thank you very much for the super chat, and make sure to subscribe to that, dude, guys. Matrix, Giovanni, we got Gorilla, DD214, Nate M, Mike, see you later. David, enjoy your day. All of you guys, you know what time it is. Mr. McDuck, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.